Some hikers set up camp down in the valley, and I am going to fuck with them tonight. Woo. Oh, look what we have here. Ice cold beer. Let's drink. Thanks, silly humans. Oh shit, I am a little drunk. Need to get home before I make bad decisions. Watch this shit, guys. This ought to wake them up. Gotta go. Damn, almost had me, you sneaky bastards.
So if you want to witness more of this glorious chaos, and believe me you do, hit that damn subscribe button. Primal POVlogs.